back again. This is basically just going to do the bonnet pins today on the car. We've basically got the bonnet pins at the front already. That's the two at the front, but where I've basically taken the hinges off at the back, we're basically just putting 2 pins there, some Aero catches. So yeah, we're going to get that done today. So this is a quick little tutorial how I would fit bonnet pins and how I would actually physically do it. So yeah, I'll take you through it now. Okay, so we're going to do the bonnet pins. And basically you want to find something you want to obviously attach to. So I'm going to put my pins here on that spot. I've already got ones at the front, so this is basically just the ones, because I've got rid of the hinges, this is the ones that are going at the back. So you basically just want to work out roughly where you want to go. So we're going to go about 5 centimetres in. Preferably I want to try and pick a point really where it's going to go over. So we're going to go about 5 centimetres. Difficult really. We're going to go from about that point there of the bonnet, so we're going to go to about 11. So 11 down, 5 across, and that's where we're going to do the holes for the bonnet pin. Alright. Happy where it is? No. No, I'm going to move it up. There's a slight. There. That's where I'm going to do a hole. Right. So these are the ones we got. D1 spec, cheapy eBay ones. Aero catches. So basically, I've already marked out where X marks the spot where I'm going to put the holes. So yeah, basically we're going to drill through here, hit the plate underneath that I've already measured, and yeah, and get the Aero catches fitted in, get them just, most we're going to go this way with them I think, but I've already got the ones at the front, they're ones that are already done, so they're all on there and working properly. So we're just going to get the back ones done today. Get that all done, get the wrap off as well. So we've still got all the wrap on there, all the sponsors. Thank you guys, thank you very much. So I'm just going to drill through. If you do it the way I've just done it, your hole is going to line up no matter what. So yeah, it doesn't matter, it will line up. And that's where that one's going to go. Right, we'll cut these down a bit. So where I had a bit too long. Back on. So if that's not quite self-explanatory, nut on the top, nut on washer on bottom. So, let me try to get the nut on. That's it. Okay, right, so that's that. Okay, right, so that's basically what we're cutting out. Oh. Lovely. Looks like those rubbers need trimming down a little bit more. Right, well, for the sake of this, get a slightly bigger drill bit. But for the sake of this, you get the picture. Okay, you drill all your holes all the way around. I still need to pull the wrap off yet, so I'm going to pull the wrap off, get these bolted up properly. But then I'm basically, well, what I'm going to do is basically I'm just going to drill all the holes out, put all this off, because I've got to take this to obviously be painted, the whole car. So I'm not actually going to bother fitting these, to be honest. Apart from obviously when I take the car to get painted, I'll just put them in loose like that, just to stop the bonnet from pinging off. But that's it. So all the way round, all your holes, bolt it all down. Comes with all the bolts. So just put your bolt and your washer and a nut on the other side, and that's it. You're all good to go.